Hi, welcome and thanks for joining the Vue Studio platform. Here are a couple basics on how to navigate through our software. First, you have your Apps tab, where you can select a few different options. Asset Library is your home base for all your content, images, videos, NDI feeds, web sources, or whatever you decide to upload. You can scroll through endless Vue-provided assets and even key search words to find exactly what you need. Within the Asset Library tab, you can access asset settings by selecting the remote icon on mobile or the expand sidebar on your computer. This allows you to adjust and fine-tune whatever you casted to your Vue 1 wall. Back to your Apps tab, under Marketplace, you have the option to purchase assets from trusted partners, currently Digicore, CGI backgrounds, Plate Pros, HDR skies, and more. You can also purchase Vue.ai tokens. Under the Vue.ai tab, you have access to an AI assistant. Vue.ai acts as a traditional AI chatbot and can also generate AI images with purchase tokens. Lastly, under the SceneForge tab, you can access our Previs tool. This will help you storyboard and plan for your productions. Thanks, and welcome to the Vue Studio platform.